Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a thrilling comparison: Samsung S24 Ultra versus iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both devices are top contenders in the smartphone market, and we're here to help you decide which one is the best for you in 2024. First off, let's talk about the hardware. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts a powerful CPU and GPU, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max packs a top-of-the-line CPU and mid-tier GPU. It's a close call, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max might have a slight edge here due to its faster CPU. Next up is the software. Both devices offer smooth and intuitive user experiences, but Samsung's One UI 6 seems to edge out Apple's iOS 16 in terms of overall user satisfaction. Now, let's focus on the display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra screen outperforms its predecessor with improved brightness and color reproduction. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also boasts a stunning screen with incredible brightness and contrast ratios for an immersive viewing experience. This one is a tie. Finally, let's talk cameras. Both devices feature impressive triple camera setups with high resolution and detailed images. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes it up a notch with its advanced telephoto lens that allows for more zoom without compromising image quality. So there you have it, folks. After this thorough comparison, it seems that both the Samsung S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max are top contenders in their respective categories in 2024. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on these two amazing devices in the comments below.